Let's talk about inheritance in the US. Whether you have a will or a trust, some states have mandatory rules that protect certain heirs. Today we'll compare Florida, California, and New York. In Florida, there is a mandatory share rule for the surviving spouse. Even if the will completely ignores the spouse, he or she can claim 30% of the estate by law. California is a community property state where all community property is split in half between spouses. Even if the will excludes the spouse, their share of the community property remains protected. There is no mandatory share for other heirs here. In New York, there is also a mandatory share for the surviving spouse. This is 1/3 of the decedent's property, regardless of what the will says. And there is no mandatory share for other heirs. Each state has its own laws that can greatly affect how property is distributed. To avoid unexpected surprises, it's important not just to create a will or trust, but also to consider the laws of the state where you live. If you have any questions about inheritance, feel free to reach out and we'll sort it out. As always, details are in the description.